This is about a wind turbine, wind power energy. This is the current state of the art which is going on. Right now, in the United States, they are using around 2% of wind energy. So it's expected around in 2030 they are expected to reach around 20%. And this is how a wind turbine has been evolved. At the beginning, it was just 15 meters rotor diameter and producing 0.05 kilowatt. And now it's around 160 meter diameter and producing around 8 to 10 megawatts of energy each wind turbine. And this is the latest research which is going on the carbon fiber, which is lightweight, high strength. And this is the main parts of a wind turbine. This is the blades of wind turbine, how it works. And this is the effect of wind speed on the wind turbine. And this is about how a wind farm is designed, how a wind turbine is placed in a wind farm. And this is like how we will convert wind energy into electrical energy using a generator. And this is about how a failure analysis is made for a wind turbine so that you can make spare parts and other things. And this is the idea which we have brought about, combining a wind turbine with a flywheel, because wind energy is an intermittent wind energy. We need to, when there is high wind speed, we need to connect to a flywheel and produce and store that energy in the flywheel, and when there is a low wind speed, we need to send it back to the wind turbine. And this is a sizing study which we have made. Right now in Alaska, there is a coal power plant called Chena Power Plant in Fairbanks. So we have thought of, it produces around 29 megawatts right now. So emissions is producing around, SO2 is 188 tons and NOx is 679 tons, which is very harmful to the global warming effect. And then we thought of replacing it with a wind turbine of each of 80 to 52 meters in 850 kilowatt, and with a 34 wind turbines we can easily replace a coal thermal power plant with a wind turbine, because in Alaska the average wind speed is 16 meters per second throughout the year. And this is the initial capital cost for a wind turbine, and these are the advantages: never-ending energy, it is free energy, no green gas houses, remote areas can be easily installed, and reduce dependency on foreign oil. And disadvantages are the high initial cost, the height of the wind turbine, and no consistency in the wind speed.